So question 8. Write the following numbers correct to the nearest 100. Where's the nearest? 100 is the 1, isn't it? So we need 2, 1, and we're going to have in hundreds, so 0, 0. But what does the 5 do to this 1? Makes it a 2. 2, 2, 0, 0. That's the nearest 100. The next one. This is 700. Well, what does the 5 do? 800. This is 900, but it's nearly at 1,000, isn't it? Because of this 9. So it's 1,000. This one here. What does the 9 do to the 4? 9 changes the 4 to a 5, doesn't it? So 900, okay, the 4, if you leave it like that, but the 9 will change the 4 to the 5. Alright, we'll write it as 900, because the 4 leaves it as 9. Next one, write down the following numbers correct to 2 decimal places. So the first 2 places. See that? Is that too small on the screen? You can see it. Alright, so this 3 here, will that change the 3? This 3? No, so you've got 103.33. 2 decimal places. Does the 6 change the 5? Yeah. 3.46. 2 decimal places there. Does the 9 change the 1? 0.02. Are you getting that right? Right, the following numbers correct to 2 significant figures. 2 significant figures are the first two figures on the left. First 2 figures on the left. So 38. 39,000. So 515. 520. And what about this one?
0.03.
Alright, the 7 will change the 4 to a 5. The 5 will change the 3 to a 4. Alright, question 9. Janet wants to buy 3 tops. She priced the tops at these 3 prices. Janet has €34 to spend. She estimates the total cost by rounding each price upwards to the next higher euro. What's the next higher euro here? 16. Next higher euro?
10.
Next higher euro?
9.
If you add 16 and 10, you get 26 and 9? 35. Calculate Janet's estimated total. So we said €35. Based on your estimate, would she think she had enough money to buy all 3? No. What is the actual cost of the 3 tops?
33.19.
So you just add them on the calculator. 33.19. That's not a hard question, is it? D. Suggest a better method to find an estimate for the total cost. Give a reason for your method. What's a better? Because there is 50 cent, if you look here, the first price was 15.49. What's the best way of rounding that? 15.50 is right. The next one was 9.50, so we'll just leave it at 9.50. Next one was 8.20, so we'll round it to €8. Alright, so what have we got now? We've got 15, well 9 and 8 is 17, and 15, 32, and then add one more, 33. €33. She definitely has enough money, yeah? Right, question 10. Find the value of each of the following, where G is 2 and H is -3. Now, what you have to do, first of all, write your sum, but replace G with brackets and H with brackets. Now what do you do?
B multiply.
G is, put in the values.
2.
G is 2 and H is minus 3. Now multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times minus 3, minus 6. Minus 4. Use your calculator if you're not good at adding. The answer is minus 4. Right, the next one. We do the same. We write the sum, replace the letters with brackets. The reason for that, you have to do that because this H is a minus 3. It will get complicated. So G is 2, H is minus 3, and H is minus 3. Now, when you should type that into your calculator as it is. But that's 4. Minus 3 times minus 3 is 9, so it's plus 9. And it's minus, what's the minus times the minus? Plus 3. So 3 and 4 is 7 and 9 is 16. The next one. So we do the same. 4 brackets plus brackets over 5. First of all, G goes in here, is 2. H is minus 3. So we work it out. What's 4 times 2 is 8. And plus times a minus, minus 3 over 5. So that means 8 minus 3 is 5 over 5 is equal to 1. The next one. Multiply. Right, I always tell you is we're going to take x and we're going to multiply it by the second bracket first of all. So x times second bracket. Now we're going to take plus 7 times the second bracket. Right? So now we go x times x.
Is x squared.
X times minus 2. Minus 2x.
Minus 2x.
Now we go 7 times x. 7 times minus 2 is minus 14. Now we add the x's together. 7x minus 2x is 5x.